We will guide you through how to create nameplate in AutoCAD. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, begin by opening AutoCAD by double-clicking the AutoCAD icon on your desktop or selecting it from the Start menu. Open an existing drawing by clicking Open and selecting your .dwg file, or click New to create a new drawing. Go to the Home tab, select the Rectangle tool, and draw a rectangle with a length of 420 millimeters and a height of 297 millimeters. After creating the rectangle, click the Line tool or type Line in the command line and press Enter to start creating the nameplate. Move to the bottom right corner of your drawing area and create a horizontal line to form the bottom edge of the nameplate. From the end of the horizontal line, draw a vertical line upward to create the side edge of the nameplate. Use the Offset command to copy the horizontal line and create the opposite side of the nameplate. Select the horizontal line, specify the required offset distance, and place the copied line toward the inside of the drawing to define the plate width. Use the Offset command again to copy the vertical line and create the upper edge of the nameplate. Check all 4 lines and make sure they create a closed rectangular shape in the bottom right corner of the drawing. Next, type in text in the command line and press Enter to create text inside the nameplate area. First, enter the name of the person. Use Copy to duplicate the text. Then add the person's position or job title. After that, type the company name to identify the organization. Finally, enter the project name to complete the information displayed on the nameplate. Adjust the text position and size if necessary to make the information clear and organized. Save the drawing by clicking Save or pressing Ctrl+S to preserve the completed nameplate for future editing and printing.